Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Mystique blue smoky eye. Hope you enjoy this video. To start out, I'm using a brick red eyebrow pencil that I got from our local beauty supply to fill in my brows. Next, I go in with the basic black liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. to create my arches. I'm using a concealer by Conceal to build a color corrected base for my eyeshadows. The color I'm using is Fawn. Finally, I'm using a brown pencil to smoothly blend between the colors of my brows. Here, I'm just using some of the leftover product on my brush to clean up my arches. This foundation is by LA Girl and the color is Warm Caramel. This powder foundation is used to lightly coat my eyelid. This will allow me to apply the eyeshadow pigments more easily. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is called Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. I'm trying to only cover the outside areas of my eyelid with the blue because on the inside we're going to be using a different color. I'm using colors from the Urban Luxe palette from BH Cosmetics to strengthen my blue. To create our smoky eye illusion, I did a 30% overlay with black. I'm going in with the caramel brown color from the Urban Luxe palette, but this time I'm only going to focus on the inside corners of my eyelids to create a more natural gradient. For my eyeliner wings, I use two different liquid eyeliners. The first one is by Beauty Treats. To do my wing extension, I use the eyeliner by e.l.f. As I prep for my eyelashes, I use a mascara that I got from my local beauty supply. The lashes that I'm using are the 218s by Cara. The 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner by Urban Decay is great for under my eyes. It's super smooth and really easy to put on. This is the same concealer from earlier to cover up my blemishes on my chin. Finally, I'm using the LA Girl Powder Foundation Warm Caramel to even out my skin tone and to bring everything together. My lips are a 3-step process. This is a regular black lipstick from my local beauty supply, and I don't really remember the name because the label's all scratched up. Secondly, I use a little bit of the blue Cosmic Metal Lip Cream by NYX, just to add a little pizzazz to my lips. Lastly, I used a little bit of the Wet n Wild mattifying powder just to finish off my lip. with some final touch-ups, our look is ready and we're off to work. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe.